So good morning guys, welcome to another episode of our running vlog. So time check, it's already 6:20 in the morning. Late na tayo nakalabas guys. So no excuses, let's run for 5k or 1 hour today. Let's go. $1K guys, 1K. So what a good day guys. After 3 days of duty, kapag-running pa tayo. This coming week marami tayong activities na gagawin, so we better be ready. So ito, kahit ganun busy lagi, kailangan pa rin natin mag-training. Okay? So guys, time check, going 7 AM, 2K. So heart rate natin guys, either 139 to 145 beats lang. Guys, 3K, 21 minutes. So a few more minutes to go guys. So tatry natin tumakbo ng almost 1 hour today. Let's go. Guys, nakapag-post tayo saglit kasi naihi ako. So kahit pagod, itatry ko i-push ang 1 hour. Pero hindi kaya ngayon mag 1 hour 30 minutes guys. Hindi talaga kaya. $4K guys, 4K, 30 minutes to go. So currently running on 4.32 kilometers, maintaining of 145 beats, 33 minutes guys. Pasikat ng araw guys. Good morning. 5K guys, 5K, easy run, 22 minutes to go guys, sa 1 hour na target natin for today. So konting push na lang guys, tapos na tayo for today. Let's go. Hindot kaing morning guys. Oh, so guys, 6K, 17 minutes to go. So what a day, what a 3 days duty. Super ka busy. $10 minutes guys, 10 minutes to go. 7K. So easy pace for the purpose of endurance and stamina. So gamit ko pa lang yung bagong camera ko guys. Sana magandang quality after edit ko. Let's go, 10 minutes lang guys, makakapagpahinga na tayo. Sarap sa feeling guys na di na tulad ng dati. Grabe yung hingal ko. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung improvement basta kahit pa paano, kahit busy, consistent ka lang. So sumikat ng araw. Morning! $8K, 2 minutes to go guys, 1 hour. Thank you Lord. So guys, we hit our goal, 1 hour, 8K. So medyo mahina tayo ngayon pero okay lang guys, at least nakatakbo pa rin tayo ng straight. So continue natin until 10K, then we'll stop our running for today. 9K guys, 9K, 1 hour and 4 minutes almost I think. So 1K na lang guys. Let's go. Sun. So guys, imbes na 1 hour lang yung target natin ngayon, lumagpas tayo kasi gusto natin i-reach ang 10k kahit easy run lang tayo. So ayun, iba talaga pag may goal ka, kahit ayaw mo na, patuloy ka pa rin tumatakbo. So kaya pa naman guys, reach natin yung 10k, then let's stop for today. Lapit na tayo guys sa goal natin, 9.5k going 10k. So 10k guys, 10k. We ran for almost 1 hour and 18 minutes. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you for joining with me with my runs every off. Actually kapoy siya guys, kay gikan po release duty, pero ambot mo bangon man jud ko, tapos akong dahil gusto yung musuot og sapatos na pang running. Yun tayo sunlight guys. Kung na yun ng takachill ang life, no? Pero dili guys, dili ko na yung realidad. Pero laban lang and always pray. So, katulad sa takaron guys, until my next run.